Hello, Christian here. Let's continue with CAMWorks TechDB series. This is part 5, and for this tutorial I will show you how to work with TechDB for multi-surface feature. Well, what is a multi-surface feature in CAMWorks? When you have a part which has complex geometry, this area of the part can be defined as a multi-surface feature. So in conclusion, everything which is not 2.5 axis feature like pockets, loads, perimeters, faces can be defined as a multi-surface feature. When you have a feature like this defined in CAMWorks, you have the ability to define strategies for 3, 4 and 5 axes. Like any feature in CAMWorks, if you define already a technology in TechDB, it will save you some time for programming, and you can use also automation using the TechDB functions to save strategies or technologies for your features. So let's take a look at an example part and how you can define technologies for multi-surface features in CAMWorks. So this is the part. I have here an area which is complex. I will define a mill part setup, right click, define a multi-surface feature, select all faces, and here at strategies I have already some predefined strategies for multi-surface feature like area clearance and pattern project, coarse, fine, and so on. So for example, area clearance and pattern project will generate me an area clearance and a pattern project for my part. Let's choose another one, for example, area clearance and constant step over. Right click, generate operation plan. Of course, for 3-axis or for multi-surface features, parts can be, and all of them are different. But for general types of parts, you can define general technologies in order for you to save time. In my case, this part is a smaller part, so of course I need to change the area clearance and choose another tool. Select, change the cut amount, it's a roughing operation, change the contain area, hit OK, generate toolpath. For constant step over, the same thing. It's a smaller part, a smaller diameter tool. A ball nose which with 4 mm diameter, horizontal and vertical amount smaller, contain area, let's say like this. The general idea is I made a change in my technology plan defined default in CAMWorks, and right now I can save this operation plan. This is a roughing and let's say a finishing operation or a semi-finishing operation. Let's change this, constant step over, I will hit no. And of course, if I copy this one and transform it in on a finishing operation, generate again. Right now I have rough, semi-finishing and finishing operation. Go to CAMWorks feature tree, right click on multi-surface feature 1, save operation plan. Create a new feature condition. Let's try this one. Test 2. Hit OK. So for these types of parts, I have this new operation defined. So like any feature in CAMWorks, which I showed you in previous tutorials, you can also define strategies for 3-axis features, which is called multi-surface feature, 3, 4 and 5 axis. And also I want to show you for 5 axis you can use these predefined strategies for 5 axis, 4 axis, which 3 axis undercut, which has already some options defined for you and can work in most cases for your part. So this was part 5 for strategies for multi-surface features. Until the next video, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel or follow my LinkedIn profile. Links in the description of the video. So until the next time, stay safe and goodbye.